consider all the things for which they're grateful, and now a man who proves that no matter what comes your way, anyone can be unstoppable. This man has no arms or legs, but watch what he can do. He plays soccer, skydives, and he even surfs. Nick Vujicic is absolutely unstoppable, which happens to be the title of his brand new book. Look at how he autographed a copy for us.
I challenge people to turn your obstacles into opportunities.
Nick wasn't always so optimistic. He was born without limbs and suffered endless teasing at school.
Well, look at him. Oh, he's an alien.
But all that is behind him. Today, Nick is a motivational speaker and happily married.
Our eyes connected, and it was fireworks from day one.
And in case you're wondering how in the world Nick learned to surf, well, he had a very special teacher. It's Bethany Hamilton, the brave surfer who lost her arm to a shark attack 9 years ago, but refused to give up her beloved sport.
She was like amazing. She was the best teacher.
He's a pretty good teacher, too. We'll be back with more Inside Edition right after this.